Imagine this, your moments from boarding your dream cruise in 2025, only to discover one simple item in your luggage could derail the entire experience. To keep your voyage smooth and luxurious, I'm unveiling 10 things you absolutely should not pack. Stick around until number 1. It's a surprisingly common item that catches so many people out. Hey veiled voyagers, it's Opulence, back with the smart travel wisdom you need. As we head into 2025, cruise lines have updated their guidelines for our safety and comfort. To ensure you have the absolute best experience, we're counting down the top 10 items to leave at home. Let's dive in and sail wisely. Coming in at number 10, drones. Yes, that DJI Mini you bought for stunning aerial shots of the coastline. Why should you avoid it? Drones can interfere with the ship's navigation and communication systems, which is a major safety concern. I heard about a family on a Caribbean cruise who had their brand new drone confiscated by security right at the port. Pro fix: use the ship's professional photography services, they know the best spots. Or pack a GoPro with a good stabilizer for those cinematic shots without the risk. Next up at number 9, clothing irons and steamers. We all want to look sharp for those elegant dinners, but bringing your own is a huge fire hazard. The ship's cabin outlets just aren't designed for high-wattage appliances like these. A traveler I know had their formal night plans completely upended because their steamer blew a fuse. The luxury hack: a small bottle of wrinkle-release spray works wonders. Just a quick spritz and a shake, and you're good to go for a truly effortless experience. Simply use the onboard laundry and pressing service. It's a touch of opulence that saves you hassle. At number 8, we have scissors with blades over 4 inches. You might pack them for crafts, opening packages, or even a quick manicure. But according to most cruise line guidelines, larger blades are a no-go. They'll likely be flagged by security and you'll have to leave them behind. So what's the elite fix? Opt for small, foldable travel scissors or a TSA-approved multi-tool. Even better, most cruise ships have shops on board where you can pick up anything you might have forgotten. Sailing into the number 7 spot are extra bottles of alcohol. Bringing a special bottle of wine to celebrate an anniversary is a lovely idea, and most lines allow 1 bottle per adult. But trying to sneak on more to save money? That's not going to fly. Cruise lines have a strict policy to manage onboard consumption, and any extra bottles will be held for you until the end of the cruise. The truly opulent move? Explore the ship's curated drink packages. You'll get to sample amazing cocktails and wines without the baggage, or wait to purchase from the duty-free shop after you've boarded. And at number 6, the selfie stick. It seems like the perfect tool for capturing group photos with the ocean as your backdrop, right? But on a crowded deck, extending a long pole can be a real nuisance and even a safety risk to other passengers. Because of this, some lines, like Royal Caribbean, have banned them completely in certain areas. Instead of fumbling with a stick, just ask a fellow passenger or a crew member to take your photo. They're usually happy to help, and you might even make a new friend. Or, for a more professional touch, invest in a mini tripod for your phone. It's a much classier look.